Good morning, online friends and family. We're here again at the grandparents' house. We're getting ready to go to the water park again. We thought it was gonna be rained out, but the weather's looking a little bit nicer, so we're good to go. Now, breakfast just got made and it is looking good. Let me give you a little peek at that. Take a look at this scrumptious gourmet of dishes that's made for us every morning we come to the grandparents' house. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat some of this. So we're getting the hair all braided before we head to the water park. Whoa! Did you fall down?
Surprise!
Are you okay?
Surprise!
Are you okay?
Daddy, surprise! Are you done?
Hey Rory. Hey Rory. You ready to go to the water park? Let's go. Let's go.
Good job, face. My sister saying happy, Mom, Dad.
Are you sure? It sounds like happy to me.
We're at the water park. What are you gonna say this time? Same thing as last time.
We are going to the water.
Yes, very factual.
Yeah, I want to go on that.
You wanna go on that? You wanna go on that big ship?
Yeah.
That's what you wanna go on? Okay. All right. We got our spot. We're getting ready to head over to the section of the water park that was not open last time. So that's pretty exciting. It's got that big bucket. You see him there in the background? It'll be fun. No, not when you. Nothing's gonna dump on you when you slide. Hey, do you want me to go down first? Okay. All right. See, you're good.
I don't know where I'm the one.
All right, let's go again. Are you not having a good time? Rory! Are you having fun? You want to go find Mama? Okay, come on, let's go. There you go. there you go. Just like that. Smile. Perfect. Good? Okay, kids got tired of the big kid water park, so we're gonna go to the little kid water park and have another great time.
Absolutely. Hey, my kids are bigger, so they're off running around. Some of us like to have little ones, so.
Hey, we appreciate it.
Okay, rub it in, Evie.
You put it on your face too.
All right, now you're good. Go. What? Oh, let's not touch that. Right here. Okay.
Go! Let's do singles. 3 of us.
Nice job, Evie. Rory, was that fun? It's time to hit up that lazy river time. Time to do the adult thing, just laze around. That's what I'm trying to do around here. All these slides and stuff, leave that for the kids. I'm ready to lazy river.
Let's go do some slides before we have to go, because I think your sister's getting tired. You have fun with Daddy? Again? Are you sure? Let's do some slides.
Come on, Evie. We're gonna go ride some rides. I know, come on, we're going. Yeah, put it on the ground. I don't want it. Are you choking? Don't choke. Don't eat it. Oh my goodness. All right, we're done with the water park for today, but we're not done with the amusement park because we're gonna go hit up the ride section, namely the kiddie rides. And then Evie said she wanted to go on one of them big kid rides. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Okay, this right here is the best ride in the kiddie park in a little area. It's actually quite thrilling. Check it out. You ready to go, Evie? Here we go. Oh man. You want to do it again? That was 4 minutes of just going in a circle. You guys ready for this?
Ready? Look at Daddy.
You ready?
Yes. Yes.
You want to ride the balloons? Let's go. All right, are we ready? Hi. Hi, can you say hi, Rory? Happy.
When we stop, I say, out.
Happy. Happy.
Now I get out. That way.
Making you sicker?
I always catch
Evie's requested Dippin Dots. It's the first time she's gonna have it, so we're gonna see if she's gonna like it. My money's on no, but we'll see. I hope I'm pleasantly surprised. Well, with the price of Dippin Dots, maybe I won't be so pleasantly surprised. All right, can you reach that? Don't spill it now. All right, come on.
You guys have a great rest of your day.
Yeah, you too.
Which one's your best one?
Is it good? All right, come on, let's go share with your sister.
Yeah, my sister has some.
Yeah.
Is
Yes.
that my sister? Daddy,
Yes, Evie.
I saw a girl that had Dippin Dots.
Saw a girl with the same Dippin Dots? Do you think she was enjoying them as much as you're enjoying yours?
Are they yummy, Evie?
Oh.
Pick up your feet, Dad.
Jeez.
Milk.
All right. Just finished with the Kentucky Kingdom, the Hurricane Bay, the Kiddie Park, the Dippin Dots. We did it all today.
Yeah?
We'll see you next time. About to get some of this Royals hot chicken, Nashville hot chicken, right here in Louisville.
But Dad, we can't hear it.
You can't hear what? The song? Well, don't worry.